Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going, man? Excuse the mess. So I discovered something really, really cool. This FWA or FWA Windtre Super Internet 5G Casa actually has voice over IP. In other words, you can make telephone calls from your modem. Now, I'm not exactly sure what the cost is. It said something like 23 cents euro for a connection, but unlimited local, international call. Not international, local, unlimited Italian nationwide calls. But I think the connection fee might be 0.23 cents, according to ChatGPT. Now, this is how easy it was to set up, because I checked my router and everything and it had a green tick. All I had to do is go down to my local Chinese store here in Italy and get an old school phone and then just hook it up like you did back in the day to the telephone port. Now, I know that telephone 1 port is active. This is all the Ethernet and the modem and all that. But telephone port, just like if you had a phone line at home, and look, that's normal. That's what you hear, and then you just dial your local number. I've already made a few phone calls. I've already accepted calls. Just nobody talks about this. I cannot find this information anywhere on the internet. I don't understand why they don't advertise it better. You just can't find out the information. But mine, I'm very, very happy about this. At least that was one compensation for the drama I had to go through to get it. All I had to do is get an old school, decent little Chinese phone, plug it into the port that's active, which is telephone 1, and start making calls. And with the understanding that I might be charged a little bit for those calls. So nobody else talks about it. That's it. No plan, no login, no nothing else I had to do. That's fantastic. I don't know what... I think you can make actually international calls. I know that I called from an international number. I called from my Australian number to there a couple of times. It absolutely works. So you can receive international calls. Now, what the cost is to call out, I can't find that out. There are certain things in this country that you just cannot find out. And then you call the workers and they don't know either. So at least this is some help to somebody who's doing a bit of research. If they can use their Windtre modem for phone calls, yes, you can. You can accept phone calls in and you can dial out as well. But there may be a connection fee associated with that. I hope that helped somebody out there. If it did, please let me know, because I'm sure not many people will watch this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Teach us all out. God bless.